In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Rbac and Asana. Role-based access control, or Rbac, helps you make sure the right people have the right level of access in your projects. We'll set this up directly inside a project so your team can collaborate confidently without oversharing or risking accidental changes. Start by opening Asana and heading to the home screen. This gives you a clean starting point and quick access to everything you work on. From the left sidebar, open Projects and select the project where you want to manage access. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar or switch to the correct team or workspace. Inside the project, look to the top right for the Share button. This is your control center for permissions. Click it to open the sharing panel. Here you can invite people and set their roles so they only see or do what's appropriate for their responsibilities. To add someone, enter their work email address in the invite field. You can add multiple teammates at once by separating emails with commas. If your organization works with external partners, just be mindful of guest access policies and your company's data guidelines before inviting anyone outside your domain. Before you send the invite, choose the level of access. Editor is great for teammates who need to create and update tasks, adjust due dates, and move work through sections. For more control, there's the project admin role. Admins can manage project settings and membership, which is helpful for leads or coordinators who own structure and governance. If someone only needs to weigh in without changing task details, set them as a commenter. And for stakeholders who only need visibility, use Viewer to keep it strictly read only. Once the role is selected, click Invite to send the access. Asana will notify the person and apply the permissions immediately, so they can jump in without waiting on additional approvals. After inviting, you can review everyone who has access by opening the members list in the same sharing panel. This is where you confirm who's in the project and what role they have. If you need to make adjustments later, you can edit access right from this list, promoting or downgrading roles as needs change. A best practice is to follow least privilege, grant the minimum level required to do the job, and revisit access periodically as projects evolve. That's it. Using Rbac and Asana keeps collaboration streamlined, secure, and accountable.